Malapit na ang Kalagkalag or All Souls Day. And so today we are going to have a short lesson about our customs and traditions on this special day. Although All Souls Day is celebrated on the 2nd of November, Filipinos started to visit their dead loved ones at the cementerio or cemetery on the 31st of October. And usually it peaks on the 1st of November. So you can say on the 1st of November, daghan na kaayog tao, or there's already a lot of people. Sa sementeryo, nagahalad mig mga bulak. Nagahalad mig mga bulak means we offer flowers. Nagahalad pud mig pagkaon. Nagahalad pud mig pagkaon, which means we also offer food. Nagadagkot pud mig kandila. Nagadagkot pud mig kandila means we also light candles. Nagadagkot pud mig kandila means we also light candles. As a religious country, you can also find many Filipinos na nagaampo. Nagaampo. Nagaampo means praying. Nagaampo, praying. Kalagkalag in the Philippines is considered a family event where we get to catch up with our relatives and other family members that we haven't seen for a long time. Hope you learned something new today. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!